Well, it's winter, and I need another project. And it's February, but if you can notice out here, there's no snow. Isn't that kind of cool? Yeah, it's February in Michigan, and it's about 42 degrees out, which is nice. No wind. It's really nice. So what we're going to do today is we're going to change the exhaust on this bike. So let's get into it. Okay, let's take a listen, see what a stock sounds like, and we'll do a comparison at the end after I install the slip-ons. Okay, so that's stock, and that's the first start in, so 1, 2, 3 months. So that is a cold start after 3 months, and fortunately it's not that cold today. So now what we'll do is I'm going to show you what we're going to be putting on this motorcycle. We'll do a comparison, we'll check it out and show you what it sounds like. All right. Now for the next step, let's get those suckers out of there and let's put them on the bike. Well, I got them unboxed, and this is the brand, the Rineharts. They are really in great shape. I mean, just the construction of it is really nice. I love these end caps on it too. Yeah, they're really nice. And I understand they might be a little loud. So we will do a little sound test after I get them on. So that's our next step. So that's what we're going to do now, is we're going to take these off, and hopefully I don't have to take this bag off. We'll see, maybe not, but I know there's one bolt down in here, and I think there's one or two of them right here, just these two. Got to get these off. Looks like I can get it from here. Now I know that this bracket that's on these pipes here, they're different from the front to rear. They're not, the distance from where it is to the tip is different, and it's a little different construction on these Rineharts. So we'll figure it out. Want to probably have the same offset as we have right here. One sticks out a little more than the other, so we'll figure that out, and we'll go and get that done right now. Okay, before I show you what or let you listen to what it sounds like, I want to show you something here. I noticed that right in this area there is a rubber spacer and the metal spacers that go in here. You want to take those out of your stock slip-ons and then put those on your bike, because between the two of them we're looking at a little over an inch. Take the spacers out of the stock ones and use them here, otherwise the bolts are too long, and these little flanges won't make it all the way up to the bracket. So make sure you do that. Basically, this is what they look like now. Pretty cool. It says Rinehart right there. They fit pretty good. Not too bad. Okay, it's time to do a little sound test. So let me put this back here behind muffler like we did last time. Take it up a little bit and get her started.
Well, that's it for my winter project. And since there's salt out on the road, I won't take it out on the main road, but I'm gonna shoot around the subdivision here and see what it sounds like. So that's it for this one, and until next time.